Oh, I want to. Oh.
Situations, the specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted at this time every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. This warning alarm tone will be activated for watches, warnings, and selected statements affecting the specific counties based on the transmitter you are listening to. For exact coverage areas, please check our internet homepage. Receipt of the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm test. We now return to our normally scheduled programming. And now a look at your forecast for Rochester and southeast Minnesota. Rest of today. Mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-40s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. For tonight, mostly cloudy.
Okay.
Not as cool as lows in the mid-30s.
Okay.
South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thanksgiving Day.
Okay, all the ERs went off.
Patchy fog in the morning.
G-Storm,
Highs in the lower 40s.
the first group
Temperature falling into the
SFA
mid-30s in the
1100.
afternoon. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, shifting to the northwest 10 to 15 miles an hour in the afternoon. For Thursday night, cold, mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s, northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper
67, the Recon, and the Newberry 100, this 120, yeah, but it's okay, the 247, the 240, that's a 247 AM, the C100, 996, 400, 100, for the kids, the 74, 200, did not go off. For some reason, the 74, 200 did not go, oh, the switch out. For some reason, you did not go off. The 249 and 250. The 51 went off. The 247A, no B. The 140. The 210. That's on a different channel. And that's why there's no more videos in the plastic. There's now plastic on the windows. Because these are older windows. And I was joined by
Tornado Fan Life Safety.
And next will be Chan Haddon. Now.
Alright, so now it's my turn
Bye.
to go over the radios. Right here, the Recon R1630 went off. 74-210 went off. 1650C went off. See, it's a 1650C as a Cydex is decoded as a went from a 6-hour event to 1 hour and 41 minutes, which is the glitch on the 1650. Only did the 1650C. The Accurate went off. 256 did not go off because it was unplugged. 253 went off. WRB 603.
And actually, we crossed the test pretty late today.
The version 8300. I almost said version 8. The 249. 247. 240. I don't know if the GPX went off.
Wait. Oh.
hour.
Is that clear? Oh, yeah.
in the General Electric. And this test was joined by
Wyatt, EIS, Fran, and I will now be ending this, and see you. Now, next will be Trinidad.
Nice.
Uh,
Yeah, make sure you go
bye.
subscribe to the channel.
Bye. Next Trinidad.
Bye-bye.
Dog.
The National Weather Service, San Antonio, has activated the warning alarm. 13 weather radio stations across central and southern central Wisconsin. Emergency management for Forest City, Garner. Warning for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Shannon every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be cold. Good weather day. The warning alarm will be not as and west Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming. KJY80 in Red Wing.
Okay.
Broadcasting off.
Okay, that'll include the weeklies for today. And there's a dog going. And there's a dog barking. That'll include the weeklies for today. And if you like EAS stuff like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and that will include the weeklies for to this week. And happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Happy Thanksgiving.